email domain name. Let's take for example you sign up to create an email address hosted by Gmail. Over here will be your username, followed by the domain name. Best free alternatives. Head over to mail.com and click on Sign up to create an account. Choose your primary username and domain name of your choice. There is more domain name options available. Once you're done and have signed into your account, you can register up to 10 email addresses which all forward to your mail.com mailbox and set any of them as default. That's it. We hope you found this video very useful. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon.